What does Gothic mean for cinema? I'm going to suggest that it owes a lot to adapting Charles Dickens for the screen. And that's intrinsically a London subject. Just think of Dickens, the originator of nightmarish situations in Oliver Twist and in A Christmas Carol, like in this early version of Scrooge, which was filmed many, many times in cinema. What I'll be looking at in this lecture is the history of Gothic in cinema, starting with its origins in filming Dickens, and then looking at apocalyptic fires of the Blitz, which created a new vision of Gothic London, and finally the endless updating of the great British authors, Mary Shelley, Bram Stoker, Robert Louis Stevenson, who founded the genre of the modern Gothic. Gothic, you might say, is London's gift to cinema.